In this video, I'll be reviewing this ON universal remote control that is able to connect to 6 different devices. On top over here, you can see you can connect it to a TV, to a streaming box, which is any Fire Stick, Roku Stick, Chromecast, Apple TV, etc. You have audio for home theaters or sound bars, Blu-ray, DVD player, and also VCRs, satellite and cable boxes, and even other. This one is used for projectors. If you're connecting this remote control to a streaming stick like a Chromecast or a Fire Stick, you also have those buttons here, 1, 2, 3, APP1, APP2, APP3, that you can customize so they launch a specific app. Let's say you want YouTube here, Hulu, and Disney Plus. Well, you can have them all at your fingertip. Otherwise, this remote control has many buttons, as you see, and all the most used one, like these ones if you like watching movies. One of the unique feature of this remote is that it has a backlight. This is very useful if you're gonna use it at nighttime. You just have to press this button down below and the whole remote control, all the buttons are light up. If you don't touch it, the light will fade out like that. And every time you're gonna press a button, you're gonna be able to see everything without opening the light. You can also turn off this feature if you prefer saving some batteries. This remote is on the larger side. As you see here, I'm holding it and it's quite large. But since it's able to have so many features, including pairing with 6 different devices, I can understand that. It's powered using 2 AA batteries and you can use rechargeable ones. Overall, I was quite pleased with the performance of this universal remote control. Pairing it to your device is extremely easy. It only takes a minute or even less. And if I compare it with my original remote control for my LG TV, you can see this one has even more buttons. And with those ones over here, I'm able to customize it even better. The only thing that I think they could improve on is the size. Again, it's a very big remote. This one is, let's say, a medium sized, and if I put them side by side, you can see what I mean. This one is huge. So if you do not mind the form factor, I think it's a great choice, especially with the light being turned on at night. It makes everything more easy to navigate.